Alright, everybody. So, we got information going on with this load. I've been sitting here since probably 9:30, 10 o'clock, whatever I said earlier. It's 12:31 right now. This load delivers at 11, so it's only been an hour and a half after. I go in there to find out because this place is usually spot on. They're in and out. You sit in the door like 2 hours, the most, or whatnot, depending circumstances. So I'm sitting here and I'm watching trucks come in, get unloaded, and leave. Come in, get unloaded, and leave. And it's like, right now, there's really not a lot of people in the door. So we've been here for an hour and a half, going on 2 hours after the delivery time. The reason why we sat for so long is because the product that I brought, the shipper called the receiver and notified them, don't unload the trailer because the product, something's wrong with it or whatever. So I've been sitting here forever. As you can see, there's more of the trucks that haul out of here and deliver to the distributors than there are trucks delivering. I just sent information to the company just to give them a heads up, but it's whatever. Then after I sent that, that's when they came out and they decided they're going to take the product off and just hold it for whenever they have another driver come pick it up to take it back. Or they're still trying to figure out what they're going to do with it and whatever. But they're about to unload me right now. And yeah, that was pretty much it. I'm not doing laundry because I'm not going to sit and wait for all those people to do their laundry. So I'm leaving and going to my pickup or my delivery. And I'm just going to go park on the street. It delivers at 5 o'clock in the morning. So I'd rather just be there instead of sitting here to get over there. Hopefully there's parking on the street, but we just have to find out. Other than that, we do have a load going east, and it's gonna be fun. So well, we made it to our delivery, and I'm shutting down right here off of the street. So in the morning, we go walk over there, which it's right there. So I'm gonna be going over there in the morning, deliver this load, and once I get empty, I'm gonna deadhead all the way to Fort Morgan, Colorado. So, Fort Morgan, Colorado, get there tomorrow, shut down, and then hopefully the next morning, pick up my load. It goes to Michigan, but there's 2 stops along the way. The first stop is in Kentucky, second stop is in Indiana, and then Michigan. So let's see how this is gonna play out. When they send it to me on my phone, because I get a text message on my phone and it says pick up on the 9th at 8 o'clock in the morning. Well, as a beef plant, I already know how it goes. I can get there, drop the trailer, so on and so forth, and then wait down at the Walmart until the load's ready, or wait on the street. Well, it's like over 1,000 miles from there to Kentucky, and then